What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do a client. Oh, in case you haven't noticed, I do nails now. I think my last video I did a couple like makeup tutorials or something, but don't mind my nails. Your nail tech nails should never look better than yours. That's how I'm gonna say that. But I do nails now. I'm waiting for my client now, and I'm just going over some stuff that came in the mail. Like these tips here. Look what I just got. Excuse me for my ashy hands. Look how long that is. So I'm excited about using these tips. I wanted to try these Tammy Taylor's pick and stick. I said pick and pill, y'all. I know I'm hungry. Well, I ain't even hungry. I just like seafood. So anyway, on topic. Disposable file system. So you can pretty much you peel this part off and stick it on here. And I think you could actually wash these if I'm not mistaken. And they are 100 grit. So I'm gonna see. Actually, I might see what they be about today with my client. I also got these from Zuley's. If you don't know what these are chatons. I think I'm saying that. Chatons, which are like the pointy backs. And there's a few different colors. These are not Swarovski, but I just wanted to try them out to see. Seems like it has a nice little shine to it, and it comes in like different sizes too. So I want to actually try those. I'm gonna see if my client wants to do that today. Maybe she will, maybe she won't. Either way, I'll probably do it on like a practice hand. And I got more of these. These are so pretty, y'all. I got these from, I forget, this was like a random site. I just saw these and they were cheaper. But so pretty. I love these. When I got these from Blue Street, and when I didn't know, like sometimes like my sizing be off. Like one time I ordered this on, it was 27 with me. I gotta show y'all. It was 27 mm, right? And let me show y'all what the hell came in the mail. I was like, what in the world? So that way I started to learn, like, kind of get my sizing down pat. Like a good 3D stone on a nail for me, well, for my client range, is probably like a 7 to 10. I think these are 10s. Yeah, I think these are 10s if I'm not mistaken. And 14. I have a 4. I think this one is a 14. I think that's a 14. So you would really need a long nail to put this on. But this, I actually seen somebody with this, a nail tech that I follow. She had put this on her nail, and it was actually cute. It was really cute. I mean, I think I am going to put on my nail just so it don't go to waste. I'll probably do it for myself when I do my long nails again. But can you imagine walking down the street? Somebody be like, can I see your nails? Somebody be like, can I see your nails? So yeah, I got those stones, and I also got it in pink. I got the heart in pink. I have to start stocking up on some of my Swarovski. Oh, even though the new stones that they're coming out with for Blue Street, I think it's called Prasiska. Don't quote me on that, but is this the pink or? So pretty. So pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait for my client, and I will be back with my tutorial. So she didn't have a nail on her thumb, so I just replaced the nail and then added a clear acrylic as a base. So we are going with a green and nude nail inspired by Kylie Jenner's new makeup palette that she just recently launched. And we are also inspired by The Grinch because the holidays are here. So yes, we're going with this green and nude set. The green nails I did shape all the way down to the clear acrylic that was there previously. And I'm just going to add that green on top of that so it doesn't be too bulky. And once I finish laying my green, I am going to start adding my nude refill on the rest of the nails. After I finish doing my refill, I'm going to add a clear acrylic on top of all the nails before I file and buff. Okay guys, it is shaping time. One of my favorite parts of doing nails is creating that beautiful, flawless shape. And regardless of what shape you're getting, when that file hit it, girl. This look, we are creating a tapered coffin look. And I'm just going to file all of these down into that perfect shape. And then I'm going to go in with my drill. Okay guys, so I chose to go in with my sanding band instead of my other bit that I used during this process, only because that it doesn't need too much work to it. It just needs to be touched up and make sure that it's flush to the nail bed as well as a nice smooth finish, so I don't have to do too much work with my buffer to get that complete smoothness before I add my top coat and my finishing product. But buff it away, but buff it away, So I'm using this buffer to make this nice and smooth, honey. Okay, it has to be nice and smooth because we don't want no dust or lumps once we add that top coat, okay? So I'm gonna buff out all these nails, and please stay tuned for the finishing product. Y'all know what time it is. It is time for designs. Yes, this is also one of my favorite parts in doing nails is designs. I love designs. I love stones. It's just my forte. Okay, I love it. So some of the nails we're getting stickers on them. I like to apply my top coat first before I add my stickers, so that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm gonna go in with some stones here. I'm just showing her some options that I wanted to use to make sure she agreed with it, and of course she did because she liked that bling bling. Okay, so I'm just gonna start my design process. So here's my little mini LED light that I like to use with my big stones so they don't move when I have to add the rest of the stones around it. Okay guys, here's the final look. I'm absolutely in love with this look, guys. I hope you are too. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.